Hello, this is David from DeckerWeb, and today I want to show you my newest plugin. It's called Advanced Scripts QuickNav for the WordPress Admin Bar or Toolbar. So this is for this plugin here. This is called Advanced Scripts by Clean Plugins. It's a nifty little helper tool plugin. I really love it since it was released a few years ago, and I use it on a lot of my personal and client sites because I like the interface. It's really created with passion and love, and it's joy to work with it. But what I was missing, how to access my scripts and snippets from when I work here in WordPress. So I made this toolbar plugin, and here you can access your scripts. Here I have 4 active scripts. These are PHP and 1 admin styles work in progress. And here you see the scope or the type of the snippet. This is a shortcode snippet. This is PHP executed everywhere. That means front end and back end. And this one is only targeted within the WordPress admin area. So these are inactive snippets here, also listed by their type with the proper icon that also is used by the Advanced Scripts plugin itself. So, and here you have also the scope. So you can just decide where to jump in and make some tweaks or activate or deactivate. And you also get the listing by folder. This is a nifty feature by Advanced Scripts, that it has folder capabilities, and these folders here are listed and also with their subfolders. And you see if the folder itself is active or not active. So it's possible to have inactive parent folder, but an active subfolder. So just I only want to show you that it is able to list this. If that makes sense is another topic for debate. So, but just you see it here, and when clicking add new, it just loads the whole instance of the plugin. But you will see here in the address bar of the browser, it's parent null and edit also null. That means it starts fresh, it forces a fresh start, and then you can type in and create a new snippet. So because Advanced Scripts doesn't have an proper or individual add new feature, that's the reason. So I also want to show on the front end, this is the same local test site on the front end, and you also have here the access to the snippet stuff, just the same as on the back end in WordPress. And you also get here resource links, links to code snippet libraries I found on the web. These are here listed, and a few links from the plugin company and so on, also to the Facebook group. So, and here are my own links. You can make me a little donation, I would be happy. And here you see third-party plugins or a WordPress setting that my plugin supports. That means when you are coding your snippets, you have the variable inspector plugin. It's really awesome. And also you can go to the WordPress site health info. We just click on here. And this always loads a bit. So that is this tools, site health, and here the info tab. This is default WordPress stuff. So, and my plugin just hooks in here. It's this row here in this table, and you can click on it, and you see a few values here from my helper constants that help to tweak the some sections here on the toolbar. You can find that in the plugins documentation. I just showed you the link in a moment. And also here if the save mode from Advanced Scripts is active, or WordPress script debug, and you get the version. That's great for debugging if you want to know which constant has which value. So and you find the plugin here on my GitHub page. Just go to github.com, DeckerWeb, that's my profile, and here you have the repository Advanced Scripts QuickNav. Just here the introduction, and then you get the install. You just click here on this link, then you just get this download of the plugin zip file started, or if you want to use the whole plugin thing as snippet or a script in Advanced Scripts itself, you can do that. It's a proper JSON export file created with Advanced Scripts, and you can import it in your installation. It works completely the same as the plugin. It's completely the same stuff, but you can decide what you want. So that's all I wanted to show you. Please support the original plugin author. He is awesome, and the plugin Advanced Scripts is awesome. So my little plugin is an add-on helper tool to make your daily work within the admin and with your scripts and snippets a bit easier. So I use it myself, I need it in myself. It will be installed on all my sites, and it is already on a few of these, so I'm really looking forward to hopefully improve it as well. And thank you for trying it out, and thank you for using my stuff. I wish you a great day and happy site building and coding. See you next time.